Hello guys, how is going? Today I will be showing you what I have been working on this week. First, 3 big changes. I made some corrupted fences, changed the pathfinding and redid the doors. These 3 changes are for having a better zone management. So the thing about this is the corrupted fences are fences like normal fences, but will be letting out the player. Like the player cannot pass through these fences, only the enemy. Unlike the normal fences, in which case the player can pass through, but the enemy don't, and they have to break it. But in this case, you can't break these corrupted fences. The only way to sort these new obstacles are by buying the whole zone. So these fences will be changed to normal fences and this zone will unlock for you as the player. Then I work on a new weapon and use this new sound system in the whole map. First, let's start with the weapon. The shotgun will be shooting 5 pellets or 5 bullets to say one way. This weapon do a lot of more damage but have a lot of dispersion. With every bullet and for the new changes of the zone, in order to keep this change in all the map, I just made a zone 1, zone 2 and zone 3 and a 4th zone, so the player can buy whatever zone he wants, just play there or use all the zones of the map. And for the last thing, I made a weapon part on the shop, so you can go to the shop and if you want to buy the shotgun you can buy and use it, or if you want to buy the old M4 you can go to the shop and buy it so you can use it too. I also made some new ammo box, so if you go to the ammo part you can buy more ammo for the shotgun. And that's everything I have done this week. See you guys.